College Board might get mad, but this is exactly how you're going to get a perfect score on the SAT math section. So basically all you have to do is this thing called Desmos regressions. So whenever you see a problem with a complicated equation like this and you don't want to work it out, we can actually use Desmos to solve this problem in about 30 seconds. So all you do is enter the equation exactly like it looks, but replace the x's with an x1 and the equal sign with a tilde. Then we're going to set x1 equal to 1 dot 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 10. And then because we're looking for the value of BC, we're just going to type in BC and it's going to tell us it's equal to 14. And if we look at our answer choices, we're going to have letter C, which is correct.
Desmos regression is a powerful tool, and we teach it to many students so that they know they have this in their back pocket in case they're struggling or running out of time on tough math questions. This is perfectly legitimate. Definitely take this away and use it on the test. Now, here's the key thing to note though, is that we need you to practice this at least a dozen times before the actual test comes. There's a couple of things that might go wrong on the test that I want to make sure that you're watching out for. One is reading the question carefully and not mistyping. That's one of the hardest mistakes to catch because you feel so confident on the test and that time pressure gets to you. However, it's one of the most common mistakes that we see, and the College Board knows that you're just rapidly typing these in so that they're going to go and put trap answers in place that will be easy for you to get caught in. So if you're a student watching this video, the 39 seconds that it took you to watch this is not enough. The students who actually do this on test day without freezing, without putting in mistakes, are the ones that know to take this and look at various different practice problems and recognize that pattern immediately. My suggestion, try this out at least a dozen times before you have your next SAT test. And just plugging it into Desmos does not mean that you understand it. Make sure that you double check your answer to see if it makes sense with what the question is asking. Your confidence will be built not from knowing the shortcut, but from the hours of practice that you put in recognizing when to use the shortcut and when to go and do it by hand. Watching this video and feeling prepared is one of the most dangerous feelings in all of SAT prep. It's the feeling of having a workout plan without ever having stepped into a gym in the first place. If that last line hit, send this to someone who is in shortcut mode.